Who was Helen Barr? Helen Barr was abandoned by her husband. Helen, sometimes called Ellen, found work in a convent laundry as a laundry maid. The wages were bad, but it helped her feed herself and her children most days. It was barely enough to get by on, but she was happy that she had found work, but the nuns at the convent didn't want to take her children in. At Austin Friars, around 1533, she meets Thomas Cromwell and he offered her a place in his household. She eagerly accepted the offer. Anything else was better than working at the convent as a laundry maid. To her surprise, she was allowed to take her 2 children with her to her new position. Helen felt relieved as she didn't like to leave her children on the streets while she was working at the convent. Now she knew that they would be safer and have a place to stay, and she knew where her children were. Helen would even work for free as long as she got bed and board for herself and her children. Helen was used to hard work, and that didn't bother her at all. She felt that she had been rewarded by giving this position so easily when her status was far down from the list. Her husband, Matthew Barr, was missing and presumed dead. Later, Helen Barr married Ralph Sadler. It was a happy marriage, and they both went on to have 7 children together. Her new husband, Ralph, was also put into Cromwell's household as a young boy. Now he had the job title as a young clerk. But disaster struck. Matthew Barr turned up very much alive. Ralph Sadler obtained a private act of Parliament. This disputed that the marriage between Ralph was legal and to protect the children. Matthew Barr created so many problems by his return. The children were made legitimate, and those children were Thomas, suspectedly named after Thomas Cromwell, Edward, Henry, Anne, Mary, Jane and Dorothy. Thomas Sadler, the child that was named after Thomas Cromwell, did eventually inherit his father's estate at Stanton. So if you are thinking that Thomas Cromwell wasn't charitable, then think again. He not only took in Helen Barr, but also her husband Ralph Sadler as a young boy. If you do like the video, then please give it a like before you leave. And in the future there'll be plenty more uploaded. So see you then.